And this is the water. Um, this is part of the land that's the grass where
trees grow.
and there's flowers and
And trees.
and these are the mountains, and this is the sky that has stars, and the back part is where the sun is and the moon is.
All planets have magnets that pull each other in a circle around the sun,
That's how the sun rises in the west.
east to west.
Yeah, east to west.
And they still didn't have science. So this is the sun. It rises in the west and sets in the south because the sun will go behind the mountains and sleep and wake up very early and go to the west. Well, it will rise.
The way we did it was this was a water, this was a sand, this was a mountains, and then this is a solar system, the sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The sun is in outer space, so the sun travels around all the planets.
Instead of like the planet rotating around the sun, we divided each planet into four to represent the seasons. So after each season, the humans they would travel along the axis into the other season, and then after that, it just goes on and goes on. The first season is this one. Our second season is this one. It's going counterclockwise like it's supposed to. The third season is the blue planet, and the fourth season is the turquoise planet. So we have the planets as pimples on the girl's face, and we have Pluto, but it's popped, like it's not a planet anymore. And then we have Jupiter, Neptune, Saturn, Uranus, Earth, Mars, Mercury, and Venus.
Every time when the pimple pop, it spawn another one, so like it moves around the sun, which is an eye. When you go to sleep, you close your eye, the moon come out, and when you open your eyes, the sun come out. The rocks and the hair is one of the element of water and rocks. The stars is the background and the neck. The neck is baby stars and the background is the grown-up stars. The nose is the mountain and the mouth is the black hole.
Represents high school,
The moon represents elementary school.
and Earth represents middle school.
Since the moon is kind of like a kid, he wants to chase like the sun all over the place.
And since the sun is high school, it runs away from the kids, the elementary kids.
And the Earth, since it's kind of like she's a tween and she's just staying in there saying, I don't need to chase them, so she just stays in there.
And then when you see this moon in the daytime, it means that it's taking a breath and it's resting.
There are two gods, one god on the sky named Sky God, and one god on the ground named Ground God. So when it's daytime, the ground god throws the sun up to the sky god, and the sky god grabs it and put it there. And when it's nighttime, the sky god throws the sun down to the ground god, and the ground god throws the moon up to the sky god to put it there.
Our sun goes up and down by the clouds because the clouds are bouncy. So that's what helps the sun go from east to west, rising and setting.
is our poster, The Galaxy Rattle.
The story of the Galaxy Rattle. Once upon a time, there was a family called the Universe. They had a baby called the Milky Way. Her parents got her a toy called the Galaxy Rattle. The only way she can rattle it is counterclockwise. There are many stars and little balls.
2 of the main balls are the sun and the moon. The rest are planets. The stars glow when she rattles it. On Earth, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. That's our story about the Galaxy Rattle.
We believe that the earth is floating on water. And the wind blows the sun to the east and the moon goes to the west. It just keeps rotating. How it goes dark on a side is that the moon is dark on the right. How it's light is that the sun is on the left. Then it goes around and around.